Hello, it's Thursday, May the 19th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was mixed versus the other major currencies as commodities increased and stocks strengthened after the FOMC meeting minutes pointed to rising interest rates by year-end, fueling investor appetite for higher-yielding assets. Nasdaq and Dow advanced by 1.14% and 0.65% respectively, crude strengthened by 3.3%, and gold rose by 1.1% to close at $1,495.80 an ounce. Unemployment claims is expected to decline from 434,000 to 420,000, and existing home sales to increase from 5.10 million to 5.22 million. The euro declined versus the dollar after fears over the European sovereign debt crisis led investors to sell the currency. Resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 143.40. If the euro-dollar breaks this level, the euro will probably continue to strengthen toward 144. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 141.95 and a high of 142.86. No economic data is expected today. The pound weakened versus all the major currencies after the Bank of England warned against raising borrowing costs. Next support on the 4-hour chart is at 161. As long as the pair is trading below 162.50, the pound will probably continue to decline toward 161 or even less. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 161.05 and a high of 162.88. Today, retail sales are expected to rise from 0.2% to 1%. The yen weakened against the dollar as stocks and commodities rose after FOMC meeting minutes supported higher-yielding assets. The dollar-yen is at 82 on the daily chart. As long as the pair is trading below this level, a short position is preferred. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 80.94 and a high of 81.74. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the CAD, the Canadian dollar, strengthened for a second day versus the dollar as commodities climbed, fueling demand for higher-yielding assets. As long as the pair is trading above 0.9650, the US dollar is the more attractive. Next resistance on the 4-hour chart is at 0.9760. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9694 and a high of 0.9760. No economic data is expected today. And that's it for me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.